Gen AI with Python review by an 11 plus years experienced working professional from Gujarat.
Hi all. Through AllPro Trainings, I had opted for the GenAI course with Python. And as I was new to Python, my trainer Mohit had helped me to learn the language from scratch. And also throughout the course, he provided us with regular assignments and practice questions for daily practice. And all the training sessions were also properly structured. Like in every session, we started with a recap of the previous session and then started with the new topics. And for wherever there was coding, so he Mohit also gave us code for practice, and for the already written code, he also explained the code line by line. And Mohit and our trainer Mohit was also like flexible with our work timings, because sometimes we had to schedule in the morning and then sometimes in the evening. So yeah, he was also flexible as per that, and yeah, he also cleared all our doubts very nicely. So yeah, overall it was a great experience to get the trainings from All Pro. Thank you.